select name, then min of DOB, is it clear for you?
No, ma'am.
No. One second. Then write the answer. Select. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear? Okay. Select name. Then what about date of birth? Ashish, select name. Then
From students.
from students. Before that, any condition is there or any statement is there? Before that, from students. What is the question? You have to select the name of the youngest student. To find out the youngest student, what we have to write? Ashish, min of DOB. Based on date of birth, we have to find out it. Okay. So select name, then min of DOB, then from table student. Is it clear? Muhammad, is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So to display the name of youngest student, to display means to display what we have to write?
Select.
Select. So select. What we have to select? First we have to select the name. Then we have to select the youngest one. So min of DOB. From which table? From student table. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next question. Write the next question. Write the SQL function which will perform the following operations. To display the name of the month of the current date, to remove spaces from the beginning and end of a string, to display the name of the day, that is Friday or Sunday or from your date of birth, DOB. Write the question first. All of you switch on the video. Elvina, Hadi, and Joe. Hannah, switch on the video. Completed? Meenakshi?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Completed. What is the first question? To display the name of the month of the current date. What is the query? What is the result of first statement? First query. You have to display month of the current date. Then what we have to write?
Select day of month.
Select
Day of month.
day of month. Day of month. Is it correct, Sharath? What,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the question?
Display month name.
Month name. So we have to write month anyone select
month name,
month name, then
open bracket,
open bracket
now,
now.
now,
Is it correct? Is it clear for you? Hadi? No.
Ma'am, name month.
We will discuss this question after another question. Okay. Leave some space and write the second question. Chavi is inserting Sharma in the last name column of the EMP table, but an error is being displayed. Write the correct SQL statement.
now we consider the question.
And see, okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write the question. Chavi is inserting Sharma in the last name column of the EMP table, but an error is being displayed. Write the correct SQL statement. That is the first question. That means you have to correct this statement. This is a wrong statement. You have to correct this statement. Insert into EMP Sharma values last name. This is the query given, but it is not a correct one. So you have to correct it. What is the answer? First write the first question, then write the answer, then I will explain the second question. What is the answer of the first question? insert into Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer for the first question. Insert into EMP. Then what we have to write here? Instead of Sharma, we have to write the column name. What is the column name? That is last name. So we have to insert a value Sharma to the column last name. So insert into which table? EMP table. Which column? That is last name column. So instead of Sharma, write last name. Then what is the value? Value is Sharma. So write the correct answer as insert into EMP, within bracket, write last name, then values Sharma. Is it clear? Muhammad, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The question is, once again, Chavi is inserting Sharma in the last name column of the EMP table. Just like this statement. Insert into EMP Sharma values last name. But it is not a correct query. So we have to correct it. The correct answer is we have to insert into the table EMP, write the column name here, not the value. Let's write the column name. What is the column name? It is last name. So write last name, then values, then write the value here. What is the value? It is Sharma. Okay. Then we can move to the next question. Write the second question. Kunal created the following table with the name friends. Friend called name hobbies. Now, Kunal wants to delete the hobbies column. Write the statement. Completed? In this question, we have to remove one column. For removing one column, what we have to do? Which query? Donna? Donna, can you hear me? Then anyone?
Delete.
Delete. Is it delete?
Draw.
Alter. The statement used is alter. To delete one row from a table, we have to use alter commands. Then the command is, write the answer, alter table, friends, This is the correct answer. What is the use of alter table? Anjo, all of you off the video. Why? Switch on the video. All of you switch on the video. All of you switch on the video. Hadi, Anjo, Sharath. Then, what's the use of alter table command? Meghna.
So that we won't need to delete the whole column.
Okay. We have, if we have to change the table itself, or we have to remove one column from one table, or we have to add one column, for that purposes we use this alter command. If we have to do anything in the definition of a table, we use this alter command. Using alter command, we can add one column, or we can delete one column, etc. Okay, then we have to change the table using alter table command. So first we write alter table. What is the table name? It is friends. Alter table, friends, then drop hobbies. What's the use of drop command? Drop command is for deleting the column, or drop the hobbies column. We use drop command. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You write the answer. Can I move to the next question? Yes or no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Consider the table hotel given below. Table hotel. Then there are 3 columns: EMPID, category, and salary. Mr. Vinay wanted to display average salary of each category. For each category, what we have to write? For each category, Ashish? Group by, correct. So, Mr. Vinay wanted to display average salary. How we can write average salary? Anyone? AVG of salary. Correct. Mr. Vinay wanted to display average salary. So, display, instead of display, we have to write select. What we have to write? select, first write category. Why? We are grouping these table based on the category. So first we have to write category. Select category, comma, AVJ of salary. AVJ within bracket, write salary. Then write from. From which table? Hotel. You understand this question? Amal? There are some board exam question in that they will give a wrong statement. We have to correct it, identify the errors and rewrite the correct SQL statement. So this is not the correct one. We have to correct it. Okay. So the correct answer is what's the correct answer? Select. What we have to select? First we have to select category. Then what? Average of salary. Then Donna, complete the query. Select category, then AVJ salary, then Donna. I can't hear you. Previous period also. Okay, no problem. Then Hannah. Hannah,
Yes, ma'am.
you complete this query. Select category, AVJ salary, then
From hotel
from
group.
hotel. From hotel, then
Group by category.
group by category. Correct. Is this query clear for you? Okay. Then we can move to the next query. Consider the table infant shown below. Write the table. Consider the table infant shown below. Elvina, switch on the video. Anthony, Sharath. Hadi, Sharath. What happened? Okay. You just write the question. Consider the table infant shown below. Table name is infant. Then item code, item, date purchase, unit price, and discount. Ashish completed. Then write the first question. To display the details about the quote. To display the details about the quote. This is the row of quote. We have to display 102 quote and its date of purchase, unit price, discount, all the things. So what we have to do? Anyone? Meghna, select, select,
Select star from
select star from
infant
infant
where
where
item
item,
is equal to quote.
otherwise we can write item code is equal to 102. So we can write item equal to within single quotes, write quote. Select star from infant where item equal to within single quotes, write quote. Okay. Select star. You have to display all the details of this row. So use star. Select star from which table? Infant. What is the condition? Where item equal to within single quotes, write quote, then write semicolon. Okay. Then write the next question. To list the names of items and their unit price that have unit price less than 800 and discount more than 5%. To list the names of items and the unit price that have unit price less than 800 and discount more than 5%. Hadi, what is the answer of second question? Any idea? I can't hear you. To list the names of items and their unit price. So first we have to write to list the names of items. So first we have to write select, select Names of item. From where we get these names of item? It is from the column item. So, first write select, then write item, then next. Grishma. What is the answer? Select,
Comma unit price.
select
Item, comma unit price.
item, comma, unit price,
From
then
infant,
from
infant,
infant,
where unit price less
were
unit
unit price
less than
Yes.
800
800
and discount more than 5.
and
Discount more than 5.
discount more than 5. How we will write?
Greater than
Greater than 5.
semicolon.
Is it correct, Reina?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, it's correct. Select, we have to select item and unit price. So select item unit price from which table? From infant table. What is the condition? There are mainly two conditions. First condition is unit price less than 8 and the second condition is discount greater than 5. To join these two conditions, we have to use AND. So select item unit price from infant where unit price less than 8 and discount greater than 5. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then time is over. I think so. So we have to wind up today. Then study well for your exam. Best of luck, all of you. Okay, you can leave now.